Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will create two GL account for the foreign currency exchange gain or loss mapping. So go to the transaction code FS00, press enter here. I'll create 101 GL in expense group. Click on create here. GL account type will be non-operating expense income and account group will be administrative other expenses. Then go to control data here. Currency is INR. Tax category should be a star here. Posting without taxes allowed. Assign here the short key 001. Then go to the create bank interest tab here. Assign the field status group here. I need to search the without cost element one here. Make it G001. Then click on save here. Now you can see this GL account has been created. If you want to check, you can click on display here. Then create another one in income group. So in income group, I'll take this one, uh, 302 series. Click on create here. Select non-operating expense group. Go to control data. Posting without tax. So long. Double double zero. 001. Click on save here. This GL is also created. If you want to check, you can check in SAP table AC16N. SKA1, or at the company code level you can check at SKB1 here. Enter your company code details, then click on execute here. You see the two GL created today, 3002 4003. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.